Hi, I'm Keith with Ace Auto Air and Muffler, Pinellas Park, Florida. And today I'm going to show you how to fix a headlight. Let's get to it. So you start by removing the headlight from the vehicle. And I'm sure at this point you've already purchased your headlight bulb. What you want to do is twist your old headlight bulb out. You want to open your box and remove the new headlight bulb. And remember, don't let your greasy fingers touch the headlight bulb. Take the new headlight bulb and just twist it back in. And once you're done replacing the bulb, simply put the headlight back in the vehicle. The wiring's marked where you can't get them crossed. I'm Keith with Ace Auto Air and Muffler, Pinellas Park, Florida, and that's how you fix a headlight.